today we are going to speak about a particular mint. There's many types of mint, but this is one of my favorites. This particular mint is incredibly good for chutneys, for fish, for chicken, for turkey, also for making tea, right? And this one's called apple mint. So today we've got young Harrison.
Hi.
I met Harrison a year ago, and he was such a delightful boy. He's a neighbour from three doors down, and he's been working with me for the last year on understanding gardening. And he's now 7.5. He'll be turning 8 in March next year. So what we want you to do, if you like the video, subscribe to it. Right? Press the subscribe button, and that will give access to all our videos on Planet Wellness, and then that will give you videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. Very informative videos based on 50 years of experience. So today we're going to be talking about this mint here. Have a look how fresh and healthy that is. So Harrison, would you explain?
Herb apple mint,
Yeah.
and it can attract bees.
Yes. You get that? You get what he said? Say it again. Say it again.
It's
Say it
a
again.
herb,
Yep.
and it's apple mint,
Yes.
and it can attract the bees.
That's right.
Picture up there.
Yeah. Got it? Very good. So you said that very well, because I'm glad you picked up on the bees, because unfortunately
Because loads of bees are dying, and you have to put rocks
Yes.
in like water
Yes.
so they can stand on it. And
Yes, exactly. And of
And
course,
one of my friends saved the bee while it was just like sleepy, like it looked like it was dead.
yes,
But I wasn't there.
probably was exhausted from going to all
Yeah.
the bee of the flowers.
And I wasn't there though.
Yes.
And then they had a spoon with like water and sugar.
Yeah.
And they just put its mouth on.
I
It
see.
started to flow away.
Yeah, well, so of course it gets energy from the honey. Now, do you know it takes, listen to this, it takes 30,000 miles, you listening?
Yeah.
It takes 30,000 miles of bee travel to get 1 kilogram of honey. You didn't know that? And bees, of course, are very important.
Also, we have a computing area.
Yeah.
And we
Yeah.
we had to do a picture,
Mm-hmm.
and there's like little circles where bees can, and we
Yes.
had to fill them in
Yes.
if you wanted to do them.
And the bees can go in there,
Yeah,
right?
because we were doing a story about the unhappy bee.
I see. It's cool, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a very big treat. Can you see how healthy those leaves are? Look at that. Look how green they are. Now watch carefully, Harrison. Now this here, you know what a chutney is? You know what that is? Chutney. Chutney is a mixture of like onion, garlic,
Oh yeah,
ginger.
now I know.
You know, and
Like a
that-
salad.
Like a salad. With this, now this is an apple mint leaf. As you can see, it's incredibly healthy, but I'm going to give you an amazing sensation. I'm going to crush it like that,
Yeah.
right? I want you to tell me, smell that. What do you think? What is that?
It's so nice. I wish you could smell this, because it's got a flavour of mint and apple.
Apple mint, exactly. Right, and can you see that? Now, if you feel stressed,
Yeah.
right, you can come to that. You can just do that, and you just go like that,
Or if I feel stressed in the night,
and that just
I can,
calms stress.
if I feel stressed in the night, I can tiptoe into your garden, jump on the fence, take a leaf, go back home, sniff it, put it in the bin, and just go to sleep.
I wouldn't put it in the bin, because you'd be wasting compost. I'd be putting that around the strawberry plants. You get the idea? Okay, so what do you think of it? Interesting, isn't it? All right, so if you like our channel, subscribe to it.
Strawberry plants or tomato?
Sorry?
Strawberry plants or tomato plants?
That's right. So subscribe to our channel, right? And then you're going to get delightful videos with young Harrison here, who's, like I said, a bright 7.5. He's like 7.5 going on 16, this kid, you know, and he's very, 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 very switched on to gardening. So I'm doing everything I can on a weekly basis to teach him many gardening tips. So far, he's got tomatoes, and I'm teaching him how to grow mint and how to grow strawberries and so on and so on. Would you like to do it?
Smash that subscribe button and that bell and that like button, so then you get notifications for when we do more videos in the future. And we know you like our videos on Planet Wellness, so we can do more videos for Planet Wellness.
Exactly. Very good.